Hey guys, so I am coming on today with something a little bit different. I am going to do an unboxing of a kit from the Planner Society by Scarlet Lime. So this is a subscription box, and this is for people that are into planning and decorative planning, whether that be in a happy planner, an Erin Condren, a recollection planner. Like, there's so many different type of planners. Kate Spade has one, many different ones. This one is just kind of one that you can kind of go with the flow. It's not limited to be used in any type of planner. It's just basic materials that you can use to your liking to customize your planner any way that you want. So before I show you exactly what's inside of this box, I am very new to decorative planning. I have a happy planner, and this is my happy planner that I have here, and I love it because I'm able to add things in as I go and take out things that I need to. And so, like, I just want to show you like how you can decorate in a planner. So this is one of the examples of a spread that I did around Christmas time. So as you see, it's like red, green, and gold, and you can just decorate your planner. And I still leave a lot of white space, so mine is still functional. And this is my goal, to get back on track with things and begin to upload more videos, keep control of my life, and basically stay on task. So that's what I'll be using this subscription kit for. This is my second one that I received. I didn't get the chance to open the first one before this one came, but I do want to show you guys what's inside of here. So this subscription kit is a monthly subscription kit, and it comes around about $25, I think, is the kit, plus shipping. And shipping depends on if you're domestic in the US, or they also ship to Canada as well as international. So let's just open up the box. So as you see, it comes in this pretty box that says Hello Planner Society Girl. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me tilt you out a little bit. There you go. So it says Hello Planner Society Girl, and everything comes nice and neat, and this nice little packaging here. So let's get you a little closer so you can see everything. So it all comes in this envelope, and some people save this as well, and they don't want to destroy it with this sticker on it. So I'm just gonna cut it open. Some people use a blow dryer to release it, but I'm just gonna cut it open for the time being and take everything out, and I'll show you what comes inside. And some people even use this to decorate, so that's why they hold on to it. So these are the things that's inside of the kit, and I'll go over them one by one with you. So first up, we have this pen. I'll bring you in a bit closer so you'll be able to see. So we have this pen. Every month we usually get a pen. Like I said, this is only my second month with this subscription. So you can see it's kind of like some copper on the inside, like copper glitter on the inside, and then at the top is just flat, nothing at the top. And then it has this black background floral on the shaft, and then the hardware is like a rose gold, which is perfect because my discs on my planner are rose gold, so this will go perfect. Next we have a bow clip that you can put on your planner. Some people, a lot of people, have traveler's notebooks, so they have like a little place on the front where they're able to stick these things. Unfortunately, we don't really have that on the Happy Planner. I do close my planner with this, if this will focus, this band here. So I could possibly put this around this band and just have it dangling in the front of that. So it's just a fabric bow, and it comes with a little chain if you want to extend it longer. And like I said, many people use the background packaging as well to decorate their planner. So you can cut this little bottom part off where it says Scarlet Line Planet Girl Society, and use this backing as part of decoration as well. So then next up is this pencil pen case that comes here, and it has like a little flower closure detail button, and on here it says Planner Society. Hopefully you guys can see that. And you just pop that open, and then the pouch is zippered and lined on the inside as well. So that's that. And it comes in that dark floral material that is the same as the packaging here. So this is what it looks like on the back. And then next up is these tabs that it comes in, and you get a package of these every month, and I'll go through them to show you which ones are in here. So you get a bunch of different kinds that come with it. So they have a dark floral one, have like a brown and white one, some more brown floral one, another brown and white one, brown floral. There's like this black and white polka dot, some more floral, and so there you go. Some lighter pink one, someone like the packaging, and then another lighter pink one. And if you want to use the lettering that they have, they provide you with this as well. So if you're unsure what these are little tabs that go on the outside. So you fold them down like that, and on this white space you can stick these letters, or words rather, on there. So you get 2 of each set so that you can put a word on the front as well as the back. So you have these sets of words. You get 2 of those sheets, and then you also get 2 of this sheet here. So that's what came in that one. So next up is you have a little fabric patch that's in the shape of a coffee cup. So that's pretty cool. So this is what it looks like here, a little cute coffee cup. Apparently a lot of planners are into drinking coffee because these little coffee stickers and stuff are like everywhere. Really good quality, really thick backing. This is an embroidery patch, so you can stick it on your planner or anywhere else you choose. And this is a nice little background that you can also use as well. So then in here are the little sticky notes. So she always includes little decorative sticky notes, and it does have space where you can actually write into it. But it's also very pretty, so if you want to just use it out on your desk. And like I said, some people use this backing as well. So getting a nice little number there. And then in this here packaging are you have these binder clips right here, and then you have pieces of stretchy fabric, and you can use these to make binder clips. So if you guys are interested in getting a tutorial on how to make a binder clip and use it as a pin loop on your planner, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to upload that for you guys. And then next up we have some die cuts, and people just use these to decorate in their planner any kind of way. Some people just stick them in the pockets of their planners. You can actually stick them down on and make dashboard covers out of them. So I'll just briefly go through what's in here. It's like a dress, like a brush and comb set. Like I said, planners obviously love coffee. You have some flowers, a cute little vanity. I think this is so cute. Flowers. It's like a hanging closet. More coffee ones. A little chase armoire. A little hairpin. Hair comb rather. Like a little desk makeup area. It's a cute little chair. It's like a bow. Another little outfit. It's like a little chandelier. Another little desk area. Flowers. More flowers. And then these here are journaling cards. So that's all the die cuts that we have here. And then you also get a set of journaling cards, which are just like little inspirational things that you can put inside of your planner. And some people write little notes to themselves on the back of them. So this one here says, hello beautiful. And it has this awesome rose gold foiling going on it. This one says shine bright. And this one also has that foiling on it. Hopefully you guys can see the foil on it. And this one says throw kindness around like confetti, and also has that foiling on it as well. She is fabulous, fierce, and loyal. It's pretty cute. And this one just says planner girl, and also has that foiling on it. And this is the back packaging that came with those. So like I said, keep these, don't throw them away. You can use them as decoration. And then inside of here, it looks like there are some doilies, which people just use to decorate their planner with as well. You can either attach them down or just kind of loop them around. So this is the back card, which I really love this print. And you just get a couple of these in a couple different sizes. So you get them, these 3 small ones here, and then you get these 3 kind of medium biggish size here of the darker brown ones. So then next up is the stamps. So usually she includes stamps, and with these stamps you just need to get an acrylic block to use them. So you have this one that says urgent, email, priority, goals, schedule, follow up, start, and Instagram. So you can stamp inside of your planner as well, or whatever way. You can. Some people just use these as crafts and not necessarily in a planner. So next up, I will show you the washi. So washi is just like decorative tape that you can use, and I'll take it out the packaging so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. So this washi matches the outside packaging that came with the planner. There you go. So you can see it up close. It's that dark black background with that floral. So washi is just decorative tape that you can decorate your planner with, or any other arts and crafts that you may have. And hopefully you can see those specks of rose gold in there, which are to die for. They're like little rose gold crosses. Next up, what every planner girl seems to like is the paper in the kits. So with each kit you get 6 pieces of double-sided paper. Open this up. And you can use these papers to make any kind of crafts, or you can use these papers to make dashboards and stuff like that. So I'll show you the patterns of the paper. So first up you have 2, and like I said, they're double-sided. So you have that dark background with the pink floral on one side, and then you have this nice pink one that has like these little white and green flowers on them. So these are what these 2 patterns look like. Like I said, they are double-sided, so you have to pick which side you want to use, or you can use one of each so that you can get the most out of that. Then next up is this brown like wooden background, and on the other side you have this nice black and white. So that's what that looks like. And then for your last 2 pieces of paper, you have this dark brown background, kind of like a black background with these nice pink and cream flowers. And then on the other side you have that black and white that you've seen throughout this box before. And then for your piece of acetate, which is printed on like kind of plastic, you have this nice rose gold foil, which is probably going to be hard to see. There you go. You can kind of see it a bit. I don't have a white background for it to really stand out on, but you can see it there. It's just the rose gold dots on this clear background. And then you have a rose gold vellum here. Really pretty. And then you have this cream one with the rose gold crosses or T's in it with the flowers on top. So, so pretty. And then last up in this kit is the stickers, the decorative stickers. So I'll quickly go through these. These are the decorative stickers, and they pretty much are very, very similar to the deco that I showed you earlier. So it has those outfits, little shoes, the hair clip, chair, and then you have those chase, the little hanging closet, portable closet things with the dusting and the coffee cups. And even these one come with little boxes, and I like to use these to mark important appointments. You have more little coffee cups and things like that. And then little, what is this, like little vanity areas with nice chairs, flowers, and more coffee cups. So you get a lot in these kits, and I'll kind of spread it out a little bit so you can see all what comes in this kit. So you get all of this paper and vellum and acetate, and then you get your deco stickers. You have your stamps over here, your doilies, your journal cards, the beautiful pen that it comes with, all your deco stickers here. Then you have these 3 binder clips that you can make the pen loops with, the sticky notes, as well as the patch, and then of course the tabs with the wording on them, your pencil case, can't forget that, and your little bow charm, and your washi, of course. So you're getting a great, great, great value of stuff. And like I said, all of this only costs about $25 plus shipping to wherever you are. So if you're interested in seeing how I utilize these things, leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to come back on and show you how I end up using these things in my planner. Like I said, I'm really new to this, so I'm trying to get into it. So I'm slowly incorporating my way in here. So I'm just adding a little something different to the channel. I know it's mainly hair all the time, but I'm not all about hair, so I figured I'd start incorporating other parts of me that interest me, and hopefully you guys are interested as well. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down in the comments section below, and until next time, be blessed, you guys.